Hello everyone, in today's video we introduce you to OSCAL Pad 15. This Android 13 tablet represents a significant advancement in both form and function. Created to revolutionize how we work, study and enjoy entertainment, it boasts a range of cutting-edge features and upgrades designed meticulously in enhance every aspect in user experience, from entertainment and efficiency to camera capabilities, convenience and security. The OSCAL Pad 15 stands out with the design that harmoniously blends aesthetics, ergonomics and functionality. It remains true to the OSCAL Pad series DNA, maintaining a sleek and minimalistic appearance while providing tactile comfort and timeless aesthetics. With its slim profile measuring just 7.6mm thick, it ranks one of the slimmest tablets in the class. At the core of the Pad 15 lays on a stunning 10.36-inch 2K widescreen display with a resolution of 1200 by 2000 pixels, delivering exceptional clarity and detail. Whatever you are streaming your favorite movies, playing graphic immersive games or reading text-heavy documents, the 225 ppi display ensures top-notch visual quality for work, study and entertainment. If you are a fan of streaming services like Disney+, Amazon Prime Video or Hulu, you are in for a treat with the OSCAL Pad 15. Thanks to wireline L1 support, you can access these platforms and enjoy flawless 1080p full video streaming. At the heart of the OSCAL Pad 15 is the octa-core Unisoc T6006 processor, delivering lightning-fast performance while maintaining energy efficiently. With the generous 16GB of RAM available, this tablet ensures you have the right tools for every task, entertainment or multitasking. The base configuration includes 8GB of RAM, which is more than sufficient for everyday tasks. The Pad 15 features a 8280mAh battery that provides up to 2 days of modern use, supported by a 33W fast charging, allowing you to go from low battery to full charge in just 1 hour. At the heart of the Pad 15 software lies the OS P 10.0, an operating system based on the latest Android 13. This choice of software ensures that the tablet benefits from the most up-to-date features, security enhancements and performance optimizations offered by Android. In conclusion, the OSCAL Pad 15 is a device catering to a broad spectrum of users, including students, professionals and entertainment enthusiasts. As we await its official release, you can find the official sales links below the video. Don't wait, get your new OSCAL Pad 15 today. That will be all for now. See you soon in the next video. Bye.